Hello everybody, I'm Robert Crow, Realtor with RE/MAX Alliance here in Northern Colorado. Thanks for joining me today. We're doing a video walking tour of my new Old Town listing at 1114 Woodford Avenue. It's over on the west side of Old Town, just to the east of Shields, and then sandwiched between famous Mountain Avenue and Mulberry. So as you can see, this is a cute as a button Craftsman style home built in 1924. Our current owner, Pat, has been here for 18 years, and the backyard really is Pat's true pride and joy. It is luscious and green. There you can see the rear of the home. We've got a detached one-car garage, and there's so much vegetation and so many edible plants back here. We're going to see a close-up here of her favorite fruit tree, the apple tree there, and then we're going to walk on back a little bit, and there's a peach tree. I should have grabbed that peach when I saw it. I actually did get a couple of plums off the plum tree this morning that had fallen on the ground. That's at the front yard. There's some red currants there. I don't know what those are. Please don't eat them unless you do know what they are. There's a storage shed, but as you can see, cute little pathway there going towards the back of the house. Here we are at the front, covered porch, again, built in 1924. Plenty of room there for a couple of chairs. You can enjoy a mint julep with the neighbors. Come on inside, and part of the beauty of this home is that there are still so many original fixtures and features in this property. There you can see that a gas insert was put into the fireplace, but you can see all the original trim. There's built-in bookcases there. Those windows, so we believe those windows to be double pane, to be original, but they are double pane. At some point they were reglazed, which is phenomenal for efficiency, of course. So there is the living area. The camera's swinging around here. We're stood in the dining area right now. You can see there's a little cut through into the kitchen. But there's so much potential to this property. Our big goal with this property over the last couple of months, Pat has moved out, was to get it ready for new owners. We didn't do any remodeling, any redesigning. It just needed a little bit of work to bring it up to a place where if you wanted to, you could move in tomorrow and do bits and pieces of work to it as you live in it. Or if you're thinking about maybe adding on to the property, there is the separate entrance that goes out to the driveway, a little fenced area. So if you did have renters or something, they could come in through the side of the property. This is the full bathroom on the main level. There is a very good chance that is the original clawfoot tub from the house. Again, built in 1924, so it would be 98 years old. There was a 98-year-old toilet for sure that had stopped working, so we did go ahead and replace that toilet. And as you can see, you'll need to do a little bit of touch-up behind that toilet when it's yours. HVAC, so the furnace is almost brand new. I think it's only 2 years old. And then the water heater is from 2019. Here we are in the primary bedroom. You can see those beautiful 98-year-old doors. Coming around, we're going to go back through the kitchen and we're going to pop into the guest bedroom. This guest bedroom was used as an office by Pat. You can choose to do with it as you please, but certainly will take a twin bed, or again, if you choose to put a desk and chair in there. Does need a little paint. That is a closet there, kind of hidden in the wall. Come on back through the kitchen. Now the basement tells a little bit of a different story. Pat, during the last 2 or 3 years, did have some challenges with water intrusion in the basement. Some of that water came in from the outside. Some of it was part of some, we believe to be frozen pipes in the ceiling. So down the stairs there, we're going to see a little bit of damage there. We did have a structural engineer look at that, as well as a couple of other parts of the home. And we did follow the structural engineer's advice as to how to move forward with the property. So this, I think, was maybe a shower room or a half bathroom. There was some water intrusion from the windows. The windows were replaced. Just cosmetically, it hasn't been worked on since those windows were reinstalled. There was a shower stall there. We believe there was a burst water pipe above there, and that water pipe was replaced with the blue and red pecs, but again, that bathroom wasn't finished out. It was only pat here, she didn't really need to. This is a non-conforming third bedroom, a flex room, so to speak. Similar issue there with the window. There was some grading issues, so we had those corrected as best as possible. We had some window wells put in to help there. So we've done as much as we could, again, to turn the house into a blank canvas for you, so the new owners can go ahead and take care of those cosmetic details. We have the house fully inspected, and we do have that structural engineer's report. There's the furnace, the hot water heater, very new. Radon's been mitigated. This is a little storeroom area. You can see again, there was a little bit of damage. We did have that professionally cleaned up. So when the new owners move in, you can take care of replastering that and painting. We just didn't want to cover anything up. Total disclosure is always the best way. I'm Robert Crow, Realtor here in Northern Colorado with RE/MAX Alliance. Any question about this property or others, feel free to reach out using the information on screen. And as always, have a smashing day.